Preyo Phonie here. In this quick Android guide, I'll show you how to add fingerprint lock to your phone step by step. Want faster and more secure unlocking on your Android phone? Fingerprint lock is the easiest way to protect your device. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android phone, then tap on Password and Security option. Step 2. Now select Fingerprint from the menu. Enter your current phone password to continue. Step 3. Tap on Add Fingerprint option. Your phone will now start the fingerprint setup process. Before we continue, subscribe now for more Android security tips and hidden features every week. Step 4. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Lift and place it again as instructed until it completes scanning. Step 5. Continue scanning until fingerprint setup is complete. Boom! Your fingerprint lock is now successfully added. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more simple Android tutorials and smart security tips every week.